Nursing, can you hear me? Nursing, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. I'm sorry, Nur قطع. Okay, let's continue our lesson.
Okay.
Okay, we finished this part. Okay, let's talk about adaptation, or let's talk about the definition of adaptations. Okay, they are characteristics that help living organisms to survive and reproduce in their ecosystem. What is the meaning of characteristics? Do you know?
Yes.
Okay, they are characteristics that help living organisms to what? To survive, to stay alive, and reproduce, to make new babies in their ecosystem. If you have this sentence and he asked you to write the scientific term, when you see the word survive and you see the word reproduce, automatically you will know these are adaptations. So you will write the word adaptations. Okay, what is the meaning of ecosystem? It's meaning it means the habitat or the environment, يعني البيئة. Okay, do you know the name of
Okay.
the nest, Nursin?
What?
What is this
Could
living
you
organism? Do
say
you know what? It's the polar bear. From the word polar, it means it lives in Arctic or polar regions. Do you know the meaning of polar? Polar?
Yes, I do.
Okay, very, 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 very cold places. So it have what? A thick fur or feather, you know, seen. Is it an animal or a bird?
An animal.
Okay, it has fur or feather.
It has fur.
Fur, excellent.
Thick white fur.
Has thick white fur. It has thick fur, Norsin, to keep its body warm. So the thickness of the fur is to keep the body warm. And the color, the white color of the fur is to blend in. Do you know the meaning of blend in?
Yes.
Okay, is to blend in with the snow and to sneak up on the prey. Do you know sneak up? Like, do you know the sneakers that we wear in our feet? It means يتسلل, sneak up.
Yeah.
So it has to blend in, to hide, and to sneak up on its prey because the color of the color of the bear is the same color of the snow. Okay, this is adaptation in the polar bear. The thick white fur on its body to keep it warm and to hide from prey and sneak up on them. Okay, the next organism we have, do you know this one?
No, I don't.
It's a bear also, but it's a black or brown bear. It has a dark color. Why? It lives in forests. In the forest, there are trees. The trunk of the trees, the color of it is brown or black. So the fur of the bear is dark fur, brown or black, to hide among trees, to sneak up on the prey during hunting. برضو علشان يتخبى, to hide from the prey. The prey can't see it and it can sneak up on it and it can eat it or hunt it. Okay, are you ready for our next one?
Yes,
Are you enjoying the session?
I am.
Yes, excellent. The caracal. Okay, what is the caracal? It's a cat-like or living organism. It looks like cats a little bit, but it's a wild cat. It lives in desert. يعني you can't pet it, you can't raise it at home. It's a wild cat and it lives in desert. The color of the caracal is the same color of the sand of the desert. It has tan colored fur to hide and blend in also in the desert. So the polar bear hide and blend, the brown bear hides and blend, the caracal hides and blend. We are talking about an adaptation that helps in hiding, sneaking, and blending in with the environment, right?
Right.
Okay, what about this lizard? It's called the agama lizard, and it's a kind of the lizards that live also in the desert, but they have colorful what? Fur, feather, or scales. What do you say?
Scales.
Scales, that's true. Do you know why?
Lizards have scales.
Yes, it has scales because it's a reptile. Reptiles like crocodiles, like snakes, like lizards, like chameleons. These living organisms are called reptiles أو اسمهم بالعربي الزواحف. And they are covered, their body is covered by scales, not by fur or by feather. So they have colored scales to hide among rocks. In the desert, there are different colors of rocks. The lizard, or the stored agama lizard, can hide among these rocks to hide from what? From predators and prey. It preys on some living organism and other living organisms preys on it. So it hides from the predators, and the meaning of predators, يعني the animals that wants to eat it, and it hides from prey, meaning the animals it wants to eat. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so what is the name of this adaptation? The meaning of this adaptation is camouflage. You know the meaning of camouflage in Arabic?
Yes, I do.
Yes, excellent. So the camouflage is an adaptation, and this word has a lot of keywords. Let's see. It's a type of adaptation in which some animals what hide from predators or prey by blending in with the surrounding environment. If you see the word hide, the word predators, the word prey, and the word blending in, this means automatically the camouflage adaptation. Okay? So we have here keywords like the keywords of adaptation, survive, and reproduce. The keywords of camouflage is to hide from predators and prey and to blend in with the environment. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's do some exercises. Are you ready for it? Can you read this one? Can you read this sentence?
Yes.
Okay.
Living organisms will if they can't adapt to their environment.
Okay, let's see the choices. Die, survive. Okay, just 1 minute. Die, survive, hide, escape.
They will die.
They will die. Excellent. If they can't adapt to their environment, they will die. Okay, let's see the next one. Read that.
The polar bear has a fur to blend in with the snow.
Yes. Has a what?
Why?
White. Excellent. Why didn't you choose thick?
So so he can blend in with the snow because the snow
Excellent.
is white
برافو
too.
عليكي. The thick fur helps it to keep warm, but the white fur helps it to blend in with the snow. Excellent, يا نورسين. You are very, very good student. Next one.
In the penguin's feet, warm blood vessels, cold blood vessels,
Okay, what will he choose?
weave around.
Excellent. It's a key word for the cold and warm blood vessels in the penguin's feet. Okay, this is our lesson for today, Nursin. I hope you enjoyed this session, and I hope to see you soon in Nobel Edu Academy. Okay,
Okay, I
goodbye,
really
sweetie.
enjoyed too.
Yes,
Bye.
bye, sweetie.